Hello, welcome back. I hope you have watched my previous part 1 of previous year question paper HPSSC postcode 562 marketing assistant. So, in my previous video, I have discussed uh, first 100 questions of this exam. Now I discuss the remaining 70 questions. So, let's start. So, first is which of following level of marketing segment typically entails the marketing to small market whose needs are not well served. So right option is D, niche marketing. Question 102, which of following is not factor that serves the increase and brand image strengthen? The option D is the right answer. All of these: product quality, consistent advertising, and distribution intensity. All of these are. Next question 103, middlemen take credit risk that a manufacturer would be able to assume. Option C is the right answer. Question 104, one level channel of distribution consists of product consumer. Option A is the right answer. Question 105, which of following are elements of marketing planning? For objectives, forecast, policy and procedure, all of these is the right answer. Question 106, actually I have question has been missed from here, so I'm skipping this question. Question 107, Nawards provide. Option A, refinance for marketing crops. Option B, commercial papers. Option C, US Treasury. Yes, none of these are right answer. Question 108, who is authorized to issue coin of small denomination in India? Option C is the right answer. uh, Ministry of Finance. Ministry of Finance is authorized to issue the coins and small uh, uh, denominations in India. Question 109, rapid economic development or economic growth requires most efficient use of country's resources. Option A is the right answer. Question 110, so 110 question, the balance of payment depend upon the double entry accounting. Option B is the right answer. 111, which of following international finance institute provides the financial assistance uh, to the less developed countries? Option A is the right answer, IFC. The main aim of foreign trade is to increase the production. Option B, to raise the standard of living of people. Option C is the right answer, A and B. Accounting standard 4 does not apply to contingent liability of insurance company. Option D is the right answer. 114, the holder of which instrument are member of company and have voting right? The right option is D, equity shareholders have both right in voting as well as instrument of handling. Question 115, global depository receipts GDRs are issued by successful corporation with a view of attracting overseas loan fund. Option A is the right answer. 116, the well established and well organized market where the sale purchase of different securities take place according to certain laws is known as the stock exchange. Option B is the right answer. 117, which is not refundable during the lifetime of company? Option A, equity is the right answer. 118. Dealing in stock exchange in India are regulated by the right now SEBI, but before SEBI, Security Contract Act 1956. So here the SEBI is not in this option. So actually, presently SEBI is the uh, regulator of stock exchange. Before SEBI, SECRA was the next. The new issue market is an internal part of capital market. Option B is the right answer. 120. SEBI is a regulatory authority and statutory authority. Option C is the right answer. A and B. 121. The Buddhist council during the reign of Ashoka was held at Patliputra. This is the GK section. Before this, 120 questions from the commerce and accountancy, and next 50 question means total paper is there are 170 questions in this paper, out of which 120 from the commerce and accountancy and another 50 question from the general knowledge section. So this is the first question from GK. The Buddhist council during the reign of Ashoka was held at Patliputra. B is the right answer. 122. The official language of Gupta period was the Sanskrit. Option C is the right answer. 123. Who wrote the Ramcharitra? So option D is the right answer. S. Nandi was the writer of Ramcharitra. 124. The Mughal emperor prohibited the use of tobacco. Who was the Mughal emperor? Option C, Jahangir is the right answer. Question 125. Capital of Tipu Sultan was? Option C, Srirangpatnam is the right answer. Question 126. The founder of Ram Krishna Mission was Swami Vivekananda. Option C is the right answer. Question number 127. Lord Macaulay is associated with? Option B, English education. Option B is the right answer. Question 128. Who was the first woman president of INC, International Congress? So option B, Annie Besant is the right answer. Question 129. The 10th schedule of Indian Constitution deals with? Option A, anti-defection is the right answer. Question 130. The concept of welfare state is included in which part of Indian Constitution? Option C, DPSP. The directive principle of state policy is the right answer. Question 131. Who among following is constitutionally empowered to declare a geographical area as a scheduled area? Option D, President of India is the right answer. Question 132. Union budget is always presented first in? Option A, Lok Sabha is the right answer. Question 133. Who the guardian of Indian Constitution? Option D, Supreme Court is the right answer. Question 134. Which of following rivers crosses the equator 2 times? Congo River. Option A is the right answer. Question 135. Which of following is the largest sea in the world? South China Sea. Option B is the right answer. Question 136. Humidity is the result of presence of moisture content in the air. Option D is the right answer. Question 137. Mangrove forests occur mainly in estuary of rivers. Option C is the right answer. Question 138. Which is the greatest archipelago on the globe? Indonesia. Option C is the right answer. Question 139. The greatest Himalayan is known as? Option C, Himadri. Greater Himalaya is also known as Himadri. Option C is the right answer. This is from our Himachal GK. Question 140. The Valley of Flower National Parks lies in the state of option B Uttarakhand is the right answer. Question 141. The highest waterfall of India is in the state of option B Karnataka is the right answer. Question 142. Which of following is the largest producer of gypsum? Option A Rajasthan is the right answer. Question 143. Golden Revolution refers to the development of horticulture. Option C is the right answer. Question 144. When some detergent is added to water, the surface tension decreases. Option B is the right answer. Question 145. The electromagnetic radiation most prevalent in the atmosphere is option A infrared is the right answer. Question 146. Heaviest naturally occurring element is uranium. Option C is the right answer. Question 147. The pH value of human blood is approximately 7.4. Option B is the right answer. Question 148. Which of following metal is not attacked by environment? Option D is the right answer, gold. 149. Medicines are more effective if they are used in option C colloidal state. 150. The inert form of carbon is diamond. Option D is the right answer. 151. The AIDS is caused by virus. Option C is the right answer. Question 152. Penicillin is isolated from fungi. Option A is the right answer. Now question 153 is the reasoning section. So Shashir is taller than Samir but not than Prakash, and Ashok is taller than Prabodh but not from the Samir. Who is the tallest? Option D Prakash is the tallest among them. Answer D is the right answer. If the number from 1 to 73 which are divisible by 7 are arranged in descending order, then which of number will occupy 9th from the 7th place? Option D 9th digit will be 14 and 7th will be 28. This is a current affair. I think this exam was held 2 or 3 years ago, so it is an old current affair. Let's discuss. Question 155. The Union government has engaged which private sector to enable the cashless payment on eNAM? The option A ICICI Bank is the right answer. 156. Samsung India has recently signed pact with which international organization to launch virtual reality VR content and 360-degree videos on Indian heritage site? Option A UNESCO. A is the right answer. Question 57. Which country has largest diaspora in world according to the UN World Migration Report 2018? Option C India. Question 158. Sushil has clinched gold in the 2017 Commonwealth Wrestling Championship in South Africa in which freestyle category? Option C 74 kg. Question 169. Who won the 2017 presidential election of Chile? Option A Sebastian Pinera is the right answer, A. Question 160. The Nugal is this is the Himachal's current affair, Himachal general knowledge. So first question is the Nugal is the tributary of which river? Option C Byas is the right answer. Question 161. The town of Chamba was founded by option B Sahil Burman. Question 152. Bhakti Thapa died near Malone Fort. Option B is the right answer. 163. Renuka Lake is located in which district of Himachal Pradesh? Sirmaur. Option D is the right answer. The book Travel in the Himalayan Province of Hindustan was written by William Moorcrafts. Option B is the right answer. Now, English section. The antonym of word inimical. Option B is the right answer. 166. There is already opposition to the government industrial policy. So right proposition C is 2. C is the right answer. Right proposition is 2. The meaning of idiom a brazen face fellow is a impudent fellow. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless you.